heading to the next island. Most probably it's the island where they feed the eagles. So there are lots of hawks and eagles which fly around over here, and they throw shrimps in the sea, and the eagle comes to prey the shrimps. That's wonderful.
While arriving towards the Gunting Lake, if you look towards the hill from a specific angle, it looks like as if a woman is lying on her back and the belly bulging out like that of pregnant women. This makes the little meaning of the island of pregnant maiden.
It's a very nice place. It's a geoforest, and the boat gave us 1 hour to spend time over here. So if you can see, there are a lot of jet skis as well. So I am not sure about the prices, but you can definitely hire them and go for an island tour. We'll go inside the geoforest and we'll see that what are the things inside, and if you can see some wild animals. So we have entered the park. There is a entry ticket, and for 2 people it's 6 ringgit. Sorry, for 2 people it's 12 ringgit. One person is 6 ringgit. That's for foreigners, and for Malaysians it's 3 ringgit as we are foreigner. Though we work in Malaysia, but as we are foreigners, we have to pay 12 ringgit for 2 tickets, which is fine. It's cheap. And we have also taken a ticket for kayaking. Generally it's 30 ringgit per head, but today there is a promotion due to the holiday season, and we got it only at 10 ringgit. So per head, that's we paid 20 ringgits for kayaking, and also that includes a free paddle boat ride for 15 minutes, but only we'll do kayaking. That's the view of the lake from the top of the hill, and we are going towards the lake. So that's the lake that we are going to. So there are a mix of steep stairs and roads that leads to the lake. There's a sweetwater lake in between the islands and the mountains.
We are doing kayaking right now and it's really too much fun. Though I did not prove to be a good one. I tried, but my husband is only helping me and I think he is doing great. Just great. And we are going towards the shore and we are planning to try the paddle boat as well. Let's see
Take
how
some rest. We are. This is a Sweetwater Lake, which is surrounded by the sea and the mountains. So it's amazing that there is a Sweetwater Lake just in the middle of the seas. And just on the island, you get a Sweetwater Lake, and the water is very clear. And I drank the water as well. I was thirsty. I didn't bring the water bottle with me, but I had this lake water, which was fine. Yeah.
It was a great experience kayaking on the lake. The kayaks were in good condition and were fairly new. The crew will help you to board and deboard the kayak from the floating platform, so you need not worry about that. You choose a kayak with an airtight holder for your camera, phone and other belongings, and you can enjoy a whole day over there. Also, do not forget to carry a bottle of water and put it in the airtight container, because yes, if you are doing it for the first time, you'll get tired and you will need water in between. It was fun swimming in the lake. It was very hot outside and the cold water was refreshing. You can spend a whole day over here if you charter a boat and come with your family or friends. For your safety, please do not forget to wear a life jacket before jumping into the water because the lake is quite deep. The jacket comes included with your ticket for kayaking or paddle boarding, so you need not pay anything extra for your life jackets. It was now time for us to return to Langkawi. It was a great day and we enjoyed a lot. While returning, the sea was a bit calm than the morning, but the ride was still bumpy. It may give you some backaches after the boat ride if you are not very used to these adventures and to these boat rides. But I would suggest do not miss this tour and do not miss these boat rides for the ultimate adventure. The ride was enjoyable with a great crew on board and they always make sure that you are safe.
So we came out for our evening walk and we thought we would walk around Pantai Chenang and Langkawi to see the nightlife. So we came out, we just ordered ikan bakar. Ikan bakar is barbecue fish. So we ordered pomfret, but they have also a lot of other fishes like sea bass, lobster, squid. So if you eat those kinds of fishes, then these things are great. So this is sea bass and this is pomfret. So you have lobster, you have prawns, jumbo prawns, you have crab, you have squid, and you have scallops as well. And that's the barbecue area that they used to. So that's one of the. I think that's my fish that's getting barbecued over here, and that's wonderful. So this is quite hot actually, it's very heated. So he is the chef. So how many years you are making this barbecue fish?
Yeah.
How many years you are making this?
2 years.
2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. So you put sauce in that or?
In butter, we put together sauce.
Okay. But I want dry, so sauce separate. Yeah, yeah, okay. Good. So pomfret is the best test when barbecue?
Pomfret is best.
Best test, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I'll put this in YouTube. So thank you. Thank you. So the fish has arrived and it's quite big, so I'm gonna dig into a big piece from there. I'll try a piece out from there and see how it tastes. So what we have done is we have requested them not to mix any sauce before, but what we said that we will mix our own sauces. So here there are two kinds of sauces. One is bit spicy one, and this is on a sweeter side. So I'll just try with one of the sauces and see that how it tastes. It's really good. The fish is very fresh. It has the sweet meat and the fresh and the smell of the sea. So if you have a very fresh seafood, you can feel that the salt is already mixed within it, and the sauces are very nice. It's spicy. It's on a sweeter side, and the taste of the chili and the garlic that is melting in your mouth. It's just yum.
The nightlife of Langkawi is something you must not miss. There are fire shows which starts at 7 p.m. and ends by 1 a.m. in the morning. The fire shows are free to watch when you go for a walk on the beach. There are a lot of shacks and bars on the beach where you can rent a bean bag or a chair, which also comes along with a table and candle lights decorated on it, where you can sit and enjoy a drink. We enjoyed a lot in Langkawi. If you're coming to Malaysia for a trip or for work, take out some time in the weekends and go to Langkawi and enjoy there for 2 or 3 days. It's a great experience in Langkawi, and we experience a lot of things over there. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and like and share our video. It will motivate us to make more videos like this.